What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we have some compact and powerful impact wrenches from Flex because they're what's next. 99% of the time, I want to have very compact tools that deliver a ton of power, kind of like me, compact, powerful. We are going to get these unboxed, and then we have a little bit of wrench turning to do with them right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out with the channel? Head on over to merch store. You get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. Link will be in the description below. When it comes to impact wrenches, everybody wants to know about the butt, nut, and torque. How many pound-feet do I need to smash these bolts free? And all that. But the reality is that when you talk to the boots on the ground, service techs, they want the most compact, lightest, and powerful tools for their daily tasks. One of the most useful tools on their job is a compact 1/4-inch impact driver. As crazy as it may sound, they love using that. But what we have here today is Flex's 3/8 and 1/2-inch compact and lightweight 24-volt impact wrenches. Flex claims that their new compact impact wrenches are 30% more compact and 38% lighter in weight. I got the 3/8 wrench here. The no load speed, it's in 3 speeds. 0 to 1,000 in speed 1, 1,800 in speed 2, 2,700 RPMs in speed 3. It has an impact rate, variable, completely variable, from 0 all the way to 3,700 impacts per minute. You're getting 300 foot-pounds of fastening torque with this. You are also getting 300 foot-pounds of fastening torque with the 1/2-inch anvil. 450 pounds of nut-busting torque out of both of these impact wrenches. The anvils on both of these impact wrenches are friction ring. The tool dimensions for the 3/8 are 4.8 inches by 3 inches by 8.1 inches. Crazy part is that the 1/2-inch is actually 4.9 by 3 inches by 8.1 inches. Bare tool weight for both of these is 2.6 pounds. They have a 5-year warranty, but if you were to register these tools before the end of the year, December 31st, 2024, you would indeed get Flex's limited lifetime warranty. And you heard it right. It would be pretty much a lifetime warranty on all their tools, their batteries, and their chargers. What's inside this box is actually the impact wrench itself and a belt clip. There's probably some plastic bags in there as well. Each impact wrench has an auto control and screw modes. It's got a 360-degree LED. Gotta love it. Now, the way I envision these tools being run, oh, here's the manual. Make sure you read this in its complete entirety. They also have a really cool sticker here for your toolbox. They do have this belt clip here, but if you talk to any service tech, they'll be like, never put your belt clips on an impact wrench or anything that will go near the paint of a vehicle. Now, here's the deal. It looks as though you would not indeed set like speed 2 or speed 1 or speed 3 and then your auto modes or tightening modes. Those are separate modes. It will disable the speeds. Make any sense? Maybe I can illustrate. In theory, once it's snugged up, it should stop. Let's see what it does. So auto mode has tightened that bolt down or snugged it up, and then it has shut the wrench off, as you can see. Let's see if the bolt's a little tighter, what it will do in auto mode. So that time it actually did stop once the bolt or the nut got to the edge of the bolt. I like that. This way the nut doesn't go flying off of the bolt and spin into the weeds somewhere. I feel like whenever anybody buys any tools, especially if they're on a budget, they want a one-size-fits-all, something small and compact enough to get in all those tight spots, but something also most powerful enough to do the larger jobs where you need to bust big nuts off. Now, usually lug nuts are not that big, giant nut you need to bust off, but you know, if your impact can't take off some lug nuts, it's probably not going to serve you well, especially if you're wanting to buy a one-size-fits-all. You can see that auto feature is working very well. You know what they say, sometimes when finesse doesn't work, you gotta go brute force. If memory serves me correctly, this should go here. That should go there. I'm gonna pop this back on here. We're able to throw our impact in auto mode. Now we're snugged up and we can torque this nut and bolt to spec. I like that. Oh, see how it's cross-threaded? That auto feature, no. But in reality, that's why you should always start your bolts, your lug nuts by hand. In all honesty, you have a great range of power and the task you can complete with this impact because of its size and the amount of torque, breakaway, and fastening. It's pretty amazing what we're able to do with battery power nowadays. And I feel like being battery powered and being, frankly, amazing. Then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Leave down in the comment section below. What do you think about working on your own vehicle? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Halfway through the project, do you say to yourself, why didn't I just pay the doggone mechanic?